Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a GIF to your card.co website to bring some energy and movement to your landing page. Let's get into it. First, insert the image element. Even though a GIF is a moving file, Card treats it as an image, so you'll start with the standard image block. Click the plus icon in the top toolbar and select Image. A placeholder box will appear on your canvas. Click on it to open the settings panel on the left. Make sure the type is set to Upload if you have the file on your computer, or External if the GIF is hosted on a site like Jiffy. Next, upload or link your GIF. This is where you actually place the animation. There are two main ways to do this depending on your file source. Click the Upload button and select your .gif file. Important: Card has a file size limit, usually 2 megabytes for free sites and up to 32 megabytes for Pro. If your file is too large, it may fail to upload or appear static. Use an online compressor if your file is over the limit. If you don't want to use your card's storage, select External and paste the direct link to the GIF. The URL must end in .gif. This is great for high-quality animations hosted on Jiffy or Tenor. Once uploaded, the GIF should start playing immediately in the editor. If it isn't moving, double-check that you haven't accidentally uploaded a static .jpg or PNG version of the same image. Lastly, customize style and playback. Now that your GIF is live, you need to make sure it fits your design perfectly. Go to the Appearance tab, the paintbrush icon in the sidebar. Here you can adjust the width and height to scale the GIF. You can also add a corner radius to give it rounded edges or a drop shadow to make it pop off the page. And that's pretty much it. To add a GIF in 2026, simply insert an image element, choose Upload or External, and provide your .gif file. Use the Appearance tab to resize it and add effects like rounded corners. Always keep your file sizes small to ensure your site stays fast for mobile users. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.